30 days of food as medicine series, and today we are going to be talking about premature graying of your hair. Premature graying of hair can happen to anyone regardless of the age. It is often caused due to stress, nutritional deficiency, and most of the time genetics. Stress and food being the major culprit, here's a game changer: food as medicine. Let's see how to deal with it. Nature has gifted us with enormous food resources that can help us prevent premature graying. Load up your plate with food which are rich in antioxidants like nuts, berries, and green leafy vegetables. They help you protect your hair color. Also make sure you're eating good amount of protein because the hair is made up of very important protein called as keratin. So eating in good amount of protein can help you protect and keep your hair stronger. So let's see how to avoid it. Make sure that you're living a stress-free life and indulge into meditation, do what you love doing, and practice yoga. The second most important thing is sleep. Prioritize your sleep. Make sure you're resting for at least 6 to 8 hours every day. This is the time when your body repairs and rejuvenates. And third most important thing, keep yourself hydrated. Drink enormous amount of water to make sure that your hair is healthy. Remember, you have the power to keep your natural hair color. So make sure you are indulging into a right kind of food. I'm also attaching a list of food which will help you from preventing premature or graying of your hair. If you want to live a medicine-free life and embrace food as medicines and naturally heal your body, don't forget to follow me right now.